Hi, I'm Drew and I work for the Lower Platte South Natural Resources District where I help manage our wetland properties. I am a graduate student pursuing my master's in agronomy at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. Marsh Wren is one of our Saline wetland properties located northeast of Lincoln in the Salt Creek watershed. So, what is a saline wetland? Saline wetlands are a rare type of landscape that form from buried salts that are brought up to the soil surface. Seasonal wetting and drying from groundwater discharge creates an environment with higher salinity in the soil and surface water. These wetlands are home to specific types of plants and animals such as saltwort, saltgrass, spear scale, and the Salt Creek tiger beetle, all of which would not be able to survive in a non-saline environment. They are important for bird migration, native plants, soil and water quality, and biodiversity only found in this region. Salt flats that contain salt deposits brought brief economic opportunity that salt mining could occur here. Even though salt mining didn't last, it helped pave the way for a growing Lincoln community. For the last century, saline wetlands have declined significantly, making it important to conserve and restore them. Land converted into cropland, increased urban development, and creek channelization are all factors of this decline. With the disappearing saline wetlands, the unique habitat they provide is also disappearing for two endangered species. Since 2005, the Salt Creek tiger beetle has been federally listed as an endangered species, and the saltwort plant is a Nebraska-listed endangered species. From 1995 to 2012, we worked with landowners to acquire 3 different tracts of land that would become Marsh Wren. This land was being utilized for row crops, pasture, wetlands, and a hunting club. One of the tracts was donated and we purchased the other 2 with financial support from grants and partner agencies. In 2014, we worked with an engineering firm to design a plan to renovate and improve this area back into a functional saline wetland. Construction began later that year and was completed in 2017. During this time, excavating, sediment removal, vegetation management, and stream bank reshaping occurred. 2 water distribution systems, 6 water control structures, access roads, and outlook and grade control structures were installed. Native plant seeding and tree planting was also completed. What sets Marsh Wren apart from other wetlands is our unique preservation and restoration approach. This wetland has 2 water distribution wells that pump salt water into an above-ground gated pipe system, dispersing it onto the ground, increasing the salinity of the soil. These wells are pumping salt water that is around 2/3 of the saltiness of ocean water. There are also several water control systems throughout the wetland, allowing us to increase or decrease the flow of water to help facilitate pond levels, which are important for migratory bird habitat improvements. This allows the NRD to manipulate the environment with the intent of restoring it back to the saline wetland it originally was, speeding up a process that may take many years to occur naturally. The ability to bring the landscape back to its original saline form allows the NRD, along with partner agencies, to reintroduce the Salt Creek tiger beetle and give plants such as saltwort or spear scale a place to thrive. Marsh Wren is a very ecologically important saline wetland. Today, routine maintenance, noxious weed control, water manipulation, and woody vegetation management takes place. The Lower Platte South NRD will continue to manage this one-of-a-kind wetland with the intent to maintain its natural saline function. Marsh Wren and neighboring properties are open to the public for people to experience this diverse and productive landscape.